If you've ever felt the crushing weight of debt, you know it can feel like a heavy chain, holding you back from your dreams. It's an incredibly common struggle. But what if I told you that not all debt is created equal, and that you have the power to break free from the bad kind? You have that power. In this video, we're going to get to the heart of what consumer debt is, why it holds us back, and exactly what you can do to beat the system. We'll also share how engaging with our channel can unlock amazing future cash giveaways, and how a commitment to faith and diligent effort can lead us all to a better financial future. Don't go anywhere, because your journey to becoming debt-free starts now. Let's begin by acknowledging the immense weight that consumer debt carries, both emotionally and financially. Debt can feel like a constant source of stress, leading to sleepless nights and a sense of being trapped. It's often fueled by a desire for instant gratification, as we learned in our last video about money psychology. We borrow money to buy something we want now, with the promise to pay it back later. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, as a house or education loan can improve our lives. But consumer debt, like high-interest credit card balances or car loans, is different. It's a heavy financial chain that keeps us from truly building wealth. It steals from our future self by forcing us to use our hard-earned money for interest payments instead of investing it in our dreams. The first step to beating the system is understanding the emotional and financial cost of debt, and the power of taking back control. Now, let's talk like a financial professor and get crystal clear on the critical difference between good debt and bad debt. This is a fundamental concept that the wealthy understand. Good debt is money borrowed to acquire an asset that has the potential to either generate income or increase in value over time. It's a strategic investment in your future. Examples include a home mortgage, as the property can appreciate in value, or a student loan that helps you earn a higher income in your career. Bad debt, on the other hand, is money borrowed to buy a liability, something that either loses value over time or has no long-term benefit. This is the financial quicksand that many people fall into. Examples include high-interest credit card debt used for discretionary spending, personal loans for vacations or luxury items, or car loans for a vehicle that immediately depreciates. The key insight is this: good debt is an investment that works for you. Bad debt is a drain that works against you. Knowing the difference is your first weapon in this battle for financial freedom. Now that you can identify good and bad debt, let's talk about beating the system with actionable strategies to get out of bad debt, once and for all. The key to winning this battle is momentum and a clear plan. First, the debt snowball method. This is a powerful psychological strategy. You list all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of their interest rate. You make minimum payments on all debts except the smallest one, which you pay off as aggressively as possible. Once that smallest debt is gone, you take the money you were paying on it and snowball it into the payment for the next smallest debt. This creates a wave of psychological momentum and a feeling of victory that keeps you motivated. Second, the debt avalanche method. This is the mathematically most efficient method. You list all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. You make minimum payments on all debts except the one with the highest interest rate, which you attack aggressively. This method saves you the most money in interest payments over time. Third, the budgeting income boost. No matter which method you choose, it all comes back to a solid budget, as we've discussed, that frees up extra money to make those aggressive payments. This is a powerful journey, and with determination and a belief in your ability to succeed, you can do it. Finally, to truly beat the system, you must future-proof your finances by preventing the debt trap from ever catching you again. The key here is not just getting out of debt, but staying out. Number 1, master credit card use. A credit card is a tool, not a source of money. Pay off your credit card balance in full every single month to avoid high-interest charges. Use it for convenience and to earn rewards, but never to live beyond your means. Number 2, build an emergency fund. As we've discussed, a solid emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, is your ultimate shield against the unexpected. It prevents you from taking on new debt for sudden crises, like a car repair or medical bill. Number 3, live below your means. This is a cornerstone of financial freedom. Don't let lifestyle creep consume your income. A disciplined approach to your spending ensures you're always in control. A diligent person with faith in their ability to succeed will always make progress on this journey. Beating the system is more than a strategy. It's a commitment to taking back control of your financial destiny. By understanding debt and using these tools, you are not just escaping a trap, you are building a path to lasting peace and prosperity. Hey there, amazing audience. Ready for giveaways and some serious growth? Wanna win? Then comment below right now with the precise learning you genuinely gained from our video. Seriously, prove you were here, that you truly absorbed it. Just so you know, we verify every winner's comment to make sure it's authentic. If your comment triggers an illusion or is unreal, you may lose the reward. For all the important giveaway rules, who's eligible, how we choose, check out the dedicated video link in the description. Our core mission is to give you unrivaled finance knowledge, powerful support, and verified ways to break through financially. Be sharp, be bold, and join the movement. Like, subscribe, and let's unlock your financial power in the next video.